When I retired in 1994, I started restoring what you see here. So far, I've restored 11 tractors, 20 plows, a mower, rake, a disc, a baler, 2 field cultivators, 2 potato diggers, 4 milk carts. I guess that's it. A lot of green paint.
It's more than a hobby for Willis Hanna. Giving broken things new life has become a passion of his, and you could say it also hits pretty close to the heart.
I've got 7 bypasses and 4 stents.
Willis has a strong but tricky heart that required a little extra care to keep his engine running throughout the 80s and 90s.
So in 1993, I started getting chest pain again. They couldn't get the blockage to stay open.
That brought Willis to Dr. Ray Allen's team, who began considering innovative options to treat his recurring condition.
I actually do remember a little bit about it because we had to do some hoop jumping to get through that.
What Dr. Allen proposed was to open Willis's blockage by placing a cardiac stent. Up until then, stenting was used to open blockages in the blood vessels of the legs, but not inside the heart itself. In 1993, the FDA approved their use, and Willis was about to make history.
This was the first time that we were able to put a stent in. And we put the first one in and it stayed in.
As I was waiting and sitting to find out something how he was doing, all of a sudden I heard these 2 doctors coming down the hall saying, "It's in, and it works. It's in, and it works." And it was just like 2 children coming down the hall of the hospital. Yeah, and I knew I was taking him home again.
30 years ago, Willis Hanna became the first of many patients in South Dakota to receive a cardiac stent.
To be part of that was way cool. It made a dramatic game changer. Patients did better. We weren't going back and doing emergency procedures. It's continued to expand, and it's now the standard of care.
Like his tractors, Willis has required some maintenance over the last 3 decades. At 87 years young, he credits walking every day as a big reason he's healthy enough to enjoy both his hobby and spending quality time with the love of his life.
She's the best thing that ever happened to me. She keeps me alive, and the North Central Heart doctors at the Vera Heart Hospital, they keep me alive.